Welcome to the Belkin Ultra Glass 2 installation tutorial for iPhone. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps to install the Belkin Ultra Glass 2 on your device, ensuring perfect alignment and ultimate protection for your iPhone. Before you start, make sure you have a clean and proper workspace. Make sure your hands are clean and dry. It's essential to work in a dust-free environment to avoid any particles getting trapped under the screen protector, because you have only one attempt to install this expensive screen protector. Let's unbox the Belkin Ultra Glass 2 package and see what's inside. Inside the box you'll find the Ultra Glass 2 screen protector and alignment frame for your iPhone model, microfiber cleaning cloth, dust removal sticker, installation guide. Use any wet wipe to clean the screen surface if your screen is very dirty. Take the microfiber cleaning cloth and gently wipe your iPhone screen to remove any fingerprints, dust or smudges. Finally, use a dust absorber sticker to remove even the smallest dust particles that are invisible to the human eye. Once your iPhone screen is clean, don't touch it with your fingers anymore. Place your iPhone in the alignment frame, making sure it lines up perfectly with your device's screen. If you still see small dust particles, it's your last chance to remove them using a dust remover sticker before applying the screen protector. Next, on the screen protector, locate the black tab marked as 1 and carefully peel off the protective film, exposing the adhesive side of the glass. Using the green tab marked as 2, carefully position the screen protector over your iPhone screen. Make sure the screen protector aligns perfectly with the frame and your device's screen. You should place the green tab perfectly centered between the two white triangles on the frame. Don't hurry up and take your time, as you have only one attempt. Once the Ultra Glass 2 is aligned, gently press the center of the screen protector and the adhesive will begin to adhere to your screen. Use the microfiber cloth or credit card to remove any remaining bubbles. Once the screen protector is installed, carefully peel off the green tab and remove it from your screen. Next, lift and remove the alignment frame from your iPhone. Inspect your screen for any bubbles or imperfections. If you notice any, use the microfiber cloth to gently press them towards the edges, ensuring a bubble-free installation. Congratulations, you've successfully installed the Belkin Ultra Glass 2 screen protector on your iPhone, providing premium protection without sacrificing screen clarity or touch sensitivity. Enjoy your device with confidence, knowing it's safeguarded against scratches and impacts. Thank you for watching this installation tutorial. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave them in the comments below. See you later on YouTube. Bye bye.